What's life without masalas? Boring, isn't it? Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And today I have an Indian style masala macaroni, that is Pav Bhaji Macaroni. Let's look at all the elements of Pav Bhaji. A spicy masaledar bhaji has lots of butter, cheese is optional, and of course it's served with pav. So we're going to take all these elements and make it with macaroni. So let's begin. Let's start with heating a dollop of butter. Also, I'm adding a few drops of oil so that the butter doesn't burn. Once the butter starts to melt, I'm going to add in 1 onion finely chopped. Also, 4 to 5 garlic finely chopped. Cook the onions till they are nice and soft. Once the onions turn slightly translucent, let's add in half a capsicum finely chopped. And cook this for another 2 minutes. Once the onions are soft, let's add in 3 tomatoes finely chopped. With the tomatoes, I'm going to add in a few spices. 1 tablespoon Pav Bhaji Masala, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a little bit of salt, and cook all this till the tomatoes are nice and soft. Mash the tomatoes slightly and cook the tomatoes for at least 4 to 5 minutes till they slightly dry out. Make a nice sauce-like pulp with the tomato mixture. Once the tomato pulp dries out slightly, into this I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of water. Give this a good mix. And now into this I'm going to add in 2 cups of boiled elbow macaroni, toss everything together. Add in the remaining salt and also grate some cheese. Give it a good mix and turn off the flame. Fill the macaroni in a baking tray. I'm going to top it up with a little more cheese. I just need to garnish this macaroni with the last element, which is the bread or the pav element. So let's move this aside. In a bowl, I'm taking 2 pavs which are roughly chopped up. Just tear them apart. You can even take 2 slices of bread, which is fine. And what's a pav bhaji without any butter? So add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix the butter and the bread together nicely with your hands. Let's top this macaroni with these pieces of bread. It's time to place the macaroni in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. One thing you need to remember while making this dish: you have to keep the sauce watery enough or saucy enough, because once it goes in the oven to bake for 10 to 12 minutes, it's going to dry out as well. Or if you prep the dish till the point that I have now, make sure that you add half a cup of water just before putting it in the oven and then bake it for another 10 to 12 minutes. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.